Kadimova A. I study at 10th grade. My mom worked as a postwoman. Since I was a child, I was with her all the time, so I want to be a postwoman too. I like to help people and give happiness, letters, passages. The work of a postwoman.
I am Rahmanova Jamila. I am postwoman.
Hi, let me introduce you myself. My name is Fazlиев F. I am 15. I am in the 10th grade. There are a lot of interesting jobs and professional in the world. But my dream is maybe a barber in the future, because I think make people beautiful, make the world beautiful. I hope after finishing school I'd reach my goal.
Okay, let's go.
I am Ramil. I am System. As a great Russian poet said, there is a fluid I be 70. Why ill I do? What have I do? In I future I want to be a mechanic as my elder, my brother. My think that the profession the wearing a nowadays.